You don't have a motivation problem, you have a dopamine problem. And once you understand this, everything about your life will start to make sense. Think about your daily routine. You wake up, check your phone, scroll for a few minutes, which turns into an hour. Then maybe some videos, some music, maybe a game, and suddenly, your brain is already full before your day even begins. But here's the strange part. You can do all of that for hours. Yet when it's time to do something important, studying, working, building your future, you feel tired, unmotivated, even overwhelmed. So what's really going on? Why does your brain resist the things that actually matter? The answer is dopamine. Dopamine is the chemical in your brain that drives motivation, pleasure, and reward. But here's the problem. We've hacked it. Every time you scroll, every time you watch short videos, every time you get a notification, your brain gets a small hit of dopamine. Instant, effortless, cheap. And the more you repeat this, the more your brain gets used to it. It starts expecting high reward with zero effort. Now compare that to real work, studying,